Good morning, this is your very own news show, KTV Roundabout. What's up this week, Heather?
Well, Michelle, we have news of a competition just for our four-legged friends. Then we have news of a very different kind of race, one where you can only use your hands and no legs. And in our diary, we have news on carnivals, concerts and other events just for kids. But first, Mongrel Mania!
Most mongrel dogs get really jealous of their pedigree friends because they're the ones that are usually entered into dog shows.
Until now, that is, because Friskies held the 1995 Friskies Lopis Scruffs Dog of the Year show. That is just for mongrels. It happened last Saturday and Louise of the Roundabout team filed this report.
The SPCA Friskies Lopis Scruffs Dog of the Year show, and you know what? We're going to have a jolly good time, so come and join us.
While some owners try to round up their pets, the Soweto police band struck a tune and started off the proceedings with a parade.
Miss Gauteng.
From here, Paul Ditchfield announced the start of the Jack Russell Challenge. These frisky guys are put into their starting grids and excited by a rag. After which, the signal is given and they're off. Well, not always. Normally though, this happens. And this. And even this. Well, let's find out how the contestants feel. Thanks, Jack. It was then time for something a little more serious. Protection. These Doberman pinchers are trained to protect their masters. Well, I sure wouldn't like to argue with any of them. So from trained Dobermans, it was off to talented dancers. Boy, this crew could really strut their stuff. Later, all eyes were on the tough obstacle course.
It's the bending time.
Well, he sure sounded impressed.
Well, you've seen the pros do it, and now it's free for all. So anyone who wants to give it a try, well, then go for it.
Finally, it was on to the Friskies Scruffs contest, and all the celebrity judges were sent off to find the friskiest dog. And here he is. The prize for the best handler was, well, then handed over. And there was even a prize for the oldest ex-SPCA hound. followed by by a contest to find the best 4 or 6 legs around.
Well, guys, this is the finale of the Friskies Lopis Dog of the Year show. There are huge prizes up for grabs, and so the winner is going to be... Well, guys, this is Dixie, number 79. He's the Dog of the Year. So, how does Lona feel?
Wonderful, thank you.
And
It's a little she.
It's
a little girl.
So beautiful. And how does the little doggy feel?
How do you feel, Dixie? Say hello. Oh, she's just overwhelmed. Yeah.
Well, guys, from Friskies Lopis Dog of the Year show, I'm Louise Killen for KTV Roundabout.
It looks like the Friskies Lopis Dog Show was fun.